how to sell your Nashville house in as-is condition. With the bottom falling out of the real estate market in Nashville from the coronavirus, how do you sell your Nashville house now that buyers are basically stuck inside their homes? Real estate agents are limited in what they can do, and traditional buyers are not sure they can qualify for a loan anymore. You may be in a situation where you have some uncertainty around your job or business, and you just don't know when you're going back to work or if you're getting laid off. Wouldn't it be nice to sell your house as is? What does as is mean? It means you don't have to paint it. You don't have to clean and organize it. You don't have to put out new landscaping or update that broken light fixture. You get to sell it in its current condition without doing any repairs. Who is going to buy a house in Nashville in as-is condition? You'll be glad to hear that we've been buying houses since the last time the market crashed in 2008, and we're still buying houses today. We've worked hard over the years to establish a reputation for honesty and integrity, and we're still here today to help sellers in Nashville who want to sell as is. If that sounds like you, click here, send us a message so we can reach out and explain how the process works.